Unlocking the power of digital marketing. In today's digital age, marketing has transformed like never before. It's no longer about the biggest billboard or the loudest ad. Digital marketing has leveled the playing field. Small businesses now stand shoulder to shoulder with industry giants, all thanks to the internet. At the heart of this revolution is content. Engaging, insightful, and shareable content helps brands connect with their audience like never before. Social media platforms have become the new marketplace. Here, conversations turn into conversions, and likes into loyal customers. SEO is the magic wand. It makes businesses visible in the vast sea of the internet, guiding potential customers right to their doorstep. Email marketing, the old faithful, has not lost its charm. Personalized emails can turn a cold lead into a warm prospect. In the end, digital marketing is about telling your story in a way that resonates. It's about being seen, heard, and remembered.